This is the first of 3 full baths. So there's recessed lighting up there, and then this is African and safari themed. So you're going to see those like rich, bold colors there. Nice vanity. Nice sink and countertop there. Right. And then over here, this is a washer dryer combo. Let's get this open. Okay. Some 2 bar stools here. We have the dining area and the living room. So there is a ginormous extended balcony, and it has 3 access points. One is here in the living room, the other is in the 2nd bedroom, and the other to the right is in the master bedroom. So over there under the TV, that's the Simba engravement from the Lion King, and then you have some outlets there. This chair turns into a twin extra large bed, the pull-out bed, and it's really thick. It's a real nice, thick, comfy chair. It's real nice. Okay, so let's go into the kitchen. This beautiful granite countertop here. We have our coffee. And we're going to have our standard plastic cups. So are those highballs? The glass beverageware, the coffee cups, the wine glasses. We did 9 o'clock in Florida. It's dark. Lord. So we did some grocery shopping. We hit Publix. Let's see, over here, there's outlets there on like the backsplash of the counter and the sink. So I love this. It always turns. There's really good water pressure here. Nice deep sink. Okay, let's go into the master bedroom. This has a king-size poster bed, and there the engravement and the carvings there is Simba and Nala, again from the Lion King. So on that poster bed, it's really cool. The bedside tables have outlets there to charge your phone or laptop. The lamps here have a replica of an ostrich egg. People are known to visit here and watch the ostrich. They will lay their eggs on the savannah. So that's a popular activity or even pastime here, really. So you're going to see the animals incorporated in throughout the theming here. More outlets there under the TV. What I really love about Kidani Village over here is we have this desk with outlets there. Charge your laptop, your cell phone, whatever. Yeah. And then again, there's an access point to that balcony. So let's go on into the bathroom. It is huge. My voice is already echoing. I haven't stepped in yet. Huge. We have this tub that is super deep with the jets. And then here we have the Lion King, like a segment from the Lion King there. We have recessed lighting up above. Wonderful. And then over here we have that combo with the shower. Because it's clear and see-through when you're taking a shower, it just feels like open space and relaxing and like nothing's around you. It just feels like you're inside a huge shower. And over here we have the sink. Okay, more recessed lighting, and then that recessed lighting in the toilet room. We do have a closet over here. I'm just going to skip that. Evening in Orlando, Florida. Okay, let's get into the second bedroom. So this is a lock off, so it has a kitchenette. Okay, let's say this is the third full bath. Let's come on over here. So there's a second door. So if it smells so good in here, it smells really good. Anyhow, if you're staying with friends, family, whatnot, and of course someone is occupying the second bedroom, this door here locks off. So this is, this is a thick door here. So this locks, and then you have your own door here for like entrance and exit. So you could like wake up and really not see anyone next door if you didn't want to. So you got the privacy. So this is a freezer fridge combo. And there is the like frost and ice there. So that's a real freezer. And then we have the fridge. Okay, but let's check out the kitchenette. So you have the coffee maker and all of that. You're going to have paper towel, that ice bucket, some plasticware cups. Sometimes I found paper plates up here too, but enough jaw freeze for everybody. And then this turns here. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, let's just hit the bathroom first. We have this great sink countertop here with the shelf here. I don't know if I caught it, but this shelf lining, that's also in the master bathroom. And then you also have some outlets there. Let's see. I'm just trying to get the light fixtures there. I look terrible. Toilet room. Recessed lighting. Okay, so let's go on over here to this countertop. And then we have the shower tub combo. So those are giraffes and animals depicted there in the tile. Really cool. This is a closet here. And then you have two queen size beds because that couch there pulls out into a queen size bed. This couch is so wide and large. It's way bigger than a queen, I'm telling you. I'll even come with a tape measure next time and measure it. I'm telling you, it's so big. Very safari-like. Really nice. Some outlets there on that bedside table again. Let's check out that art. Pretty cool. And then, yeah, you're going to have the table here. You have access to that balcony. Dining, sitting area. Okay. TV with some TV, what is it, TV stand? Dresser, TV stand combo with some great outlets there. That's an armory here to our right. And they have, look at that. That is so cool, that engravement. So that looks like a lizard for sure. Let's get in here. It's really deep. It goes back pretty far. And you're going to have quite a few hangers there. And a shelf. It goes back deep. Yeah, you can. Yeah, let's see. My medium-sized suitcase would fit on the floor of this here. And then you got a shelf and a hanger, a rod with hangers there. So actually, you know, we're gonna check this closet out. Oh yeah, there's more than enough here. Yeah, they put these plastic tabs here, so you know it's like clean or whatever, sealed, cleaned. So yeah, technically, you know, you have 2 closet reds, so not too bad. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This could definitely, this has enough storage in here to definitely hold some stuff. And we have that fan up there above. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching. And happy safe travels. Okay, peace, love, and hugs from Florida.